Hello everyone, I'm Mado from Airkey. Welcome to our factory, and we are now on the third floor of our factory. This is our assembly area. On the left you can see a big clean room belongs to our light series, and which houses our FFU assembly line. On the right is our clean room setup and packing area. As you can see, 4 modular clean rooms have already been set up here. Before shipment, our clean room will be pre-assembled at the factory to check their normal operation, ensure all materials are complete, and then conduct relevant tests such as cleanliness test. Today we are going to introduce this one. This is an ISO 8 modular clean room for the client's injection molding industry. Now we can see the structure of this clean room. It is made up of aluminum alloy frame, the sandwich wall panel, and the double-layer tempered glass. The placement of all double-layer tempered glasses and the unconventional entrance to this clean room are perfectly adapted to the client's on-site architecture. Here is the control panel of the clean room. It has air velocity control, the LED lighting control, and here is a differential pressure gauge to check the pressure in the clean room. Before getting inside, we need to go through an air shower which blows away the dust from the person entering. Now we are inside the clean room. You can feel the ceiling height of this clean room is very high. The client will place in 3 tall machines inside the clean room. So the inner height is 3.7 meters and the external height is 4 meters. To minimize noise while achieving ISO 8, we equipped with ECFFUs that operates with lower noise and is more energy efficient. Besides the FFU, it is the LED strip light. Here we can see the pass box in the corner. We can pass through the materials inside and outside the clean room, thereby protect safe working space. Pass boxes are typically used for small material handling. For large material handling, we offer custom-sized cargo air shower. For cargo air shower, we equipped with 2 fast rolling doors and an electronic interlocking system to avoid airflow between clean and unclean area. The fast rolling door features adjustable tire control and the automatic sensor, allowing smooth entry and exit of goods. Inside the cargo air shower, we are equipped with the infrared sensor activated automatic air shower, so it will start automatically once the goods enter without the need for manual operation. By setting up air shower, pass box, and cargo air shower, the personnel and material paths are clearly separated to minimize cross-infection and ensuring the indoor cleanliness to the greatest extent possible. This clean room belongs to our Castor series. If you are interested in, please contact us. See you next time.